Waves and Information Technology Unit Assessment. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. A blank is any disturbance that transfers energy from place to place. Vacuum, medium, or wave. Number 2. Mechanical waves must have blank to travel through. A medium, outer space, or a crest. Number 3. The distance between two crests or two trophs of a wave is called its amplitude, frequency, or wavelength. Number 4. Identify the part of the wave at number 1. So right here. Wavelength, troph, or amplitude. Number 5. Identify the part of the wave at number 4, which is over here. Crest, troph, or amplitude. Number 6. Identify the part of the wave at number 2, which is down here. Troph, wavelength, or amplitude. Number 7. Identify the part of the wave at letter I, which is over here. Wavelength, rarefaction, or compression. Use this diagram for the next 3 questions. Number 8. Name the part of the outer ear labeled as number 4 on the diagram. So number 4 is right here, down here. Is it the hammer, eardrum, or cochlea? Number 9. Number 7 is the snail-shaped, fluid-filled chamber called the cochlea, anvil, or pinna. So number 7 is right over here. And number 10, which number in the diagram is pointing at the auditory nerve, which transmits the sound message to the brain? Number 6, which is up here, number 5, or number 8. Number 11. The law of reflection states that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. True or false? Number 12. The bending or spreading of waves as they move around a barrier or pass through an opening. Reflection, refraction, or diffraction. Number 13. The bending of a wave as it enters a new medium at an angle caused by a change in speed. Refraction, diffraction, or absorption. Number 14. The interaction between waves that meet reflection, refraction, or interference. Number 15. What type of interference is pictured below? Reflection, refraction, or diffraction? Number 16. A type of wave is made up of vibrating electric and magnetic fields that help it move without a medium. Electromagnetic waves, longitudinal waves, or transverse waves. Number 17. A type of electromagnetic wave that can penetrate damaged skin cells and cause skin cancer. X-rays, microwaves, or ultraviolet rays. Number 18. The type of electromagnetic wave used for broadcast media communication. Radio waves, visible light, infrared. Number 19. How are electromagnetic waves divided into different categories? Wavelength and frequency, crest, or amplitude? Number 20. What electromagnetic wave has the greatest amount of energy? Ultraviolet waves, X-rays, or gamma rays? 21. What is the highest part of a transverse wave? Trophs, crests, or wavelengths? 22. What is the cause of any sound wave? Light, a vibration, or air? 23. True or false? Sound waves travel fastest in solids and slowest in gases. True or false? 24. This refers to how high or low a sound seems. Echo, diffraction, or pitch. And 25. The change in frequency of a wave as its source moves in relation to an observer. For example, when a fire truck sounds higher pitch as it approaches a person and lower pitch as it passes. Is that density, temperature, or Doppler effect?